Good morning guys, and welcome to day 27 of our travel daily vlog. We are in Dubai Marina beach. Today is relaxing and chill day, and later on we're gonna go to Burj Khalifa. It's hard to believe that 60 years ago on this place everywhere was just completely desert, and even 30 years ago when they start build the city like very fast, it was almost empty. And now just look at this. In many countries, even repair the small hole in the road will take forever, but here completely new modern city with so many skyscrapers. That's amazing. This is the entrance to the subway station. It's also look futuristic for me. For using public transport, as I told you before, you need to have this kind of card. There is few different types, silver, gold. You can refill it in the machine, and then you tap it when you came to the subway, and then you tap it when you're out, because it's counting how many zones you pass. And I guess I get really hard sunburn because my hands are completely red, and my head as well. But you protect yourself as much as you can.
Yeah, I know tricks.
And you just tap it here, and that's it. Let's go here. Bye bye.
Doors opening. الأبواب تفتح. Two trains. إلى القطارات. الفردان للصرافة. The final destination of this train is Center Point. The next station is Al Fardan Exchange.
And from subway you can go directly to Dubai Mall, the largest mall in the world. They have largest, tallest building in the world, largest mall in the world, and close by there is largest fountain in the world. So they just can. It's take almost forever to get from subway to Dubai Mall, but at least they has these speed walk options and the AC, because without it it will be way more longer and more complicated. There is some art exhibition. Even Banksy here. And here, right inside Dubai Mall, you can find Dubai Aquarium and underwater zoo. It's one of the largest in the world, but not the largest one for sure, I know. And here is the huge part that you can see for free. A lot of sharks, a lot of fishes. Very nice. Guys, look. Boom! We are here. The building is so tall that you can't even make a picture by 0.5, so you need to twist your phone like this and do like this. Now it's work. You see? Those buildings looks like Singapore Marina with kind of ship, and this one have similar shape. But here in Dubai it's just a regular building. Nobody care about it.
fountain show will start in just a few minutes. It's our first time to see it and we're so excited.
Yes. This is how many people here in the event. Guys, day 27 is over. Dubai is truly amazing city, especially at night.
And tomorrow we will have one more day to explore it before going to Oman.
So see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.